Hello, welcome to this week's problem of the week. For this problem, we are rolling three 10-sided dice. Each of the dice is numbered 0, 1, 2, and all the way up to 9. And so we have to figure out what the probability is that the sum of the first two dice we roll is equal to value on the third die. So for the first thing we do is figure out how many total how many possibilities there are when we roll the dice. So we know that there are 3 different dice with 10 different sides. And so the number of possible ways we can roll the dice is equal to 10 times 10 times 10, which is equal to 1,000. So now I figure out how many ways we can get the sum of the first two dice equal to the sum of the third dice. So we'll start off with the smallest possible sum, or smallest possible value on the third dice, which is equal to 0. And so for the sums for 0, we see that the only possible values that the first and second dice can have are 0 and 0. Anything else would obviously be bigger than 0. So now what we do is we'll find the sums for the first and second dice, and that can equal 1 and 2. And so as you can see, the sums for 1 are 1 and 0, and 0 and 1, and the sums add up to 2 are 2, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 2. So you can do this, brute force it for all 10 possible sums for the third dice, or for the third die. But you can see fairly quickly a pattern emerges when you do this. So to get the sums for the next one, you add 1 to the first dice for all of them, and then you additionally take 1 in the form of 0, or of 0b, where b is the second dice and the third dice, and you add 1 to that. So I can see for 0, 0, we add 1 to the first dice, or first die. We get 1, 0, and then we add 1 to this, where the first term is 0, to get 0, 1. And then the same for 2. We have 1, 0, add 1 to this to get 2, 0, add 1 to 0, 1, get 1, 1. And then we add 1 to 0, 1, and we get 0, 2. So doing this, we learned that, or we can see by doing this that for the value of the third dice, the number of possible combinations of the first two dice is equal to 1 greater than that. So because the possible sums are 0 through 9, the number of combinations will equal 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way up to 10. So write that down. So now we know that the number of combinations is equal to 55, which is just 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 all the way up to 10. And we know that the number of total possible rolls of 3 dice is equal to 1,000. So now all we have to do is divide the number of number of rolls that satisfy the condition with the number of total rolls. So as you can see, we just divided 55 by 1,000. You can divide top and bottom by 5 to simplify it to 11 over 200, which is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this week's problem of the week. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and check out our website, centerofmath.org. Thank you.